Hello guys! Good morning again! Dito kami ulit ng aking alaga. Yan! Nagbaon kami ng noodles guys. Picnic kami dito ngayon. Say hello! Hi, Seng! Welcome to Cordavia's Vlog channel guys. It's us again. Yan! Oh, don't throw away what stone at the water. Oh, cannot go. I cannot eat now. So hot. Or not? Yes, but later. Kain tayo noodles, guys. Itong baon ko guys. Ayan, super spicy noodle. I got noodle too. Nè, ơi. Nè. Why you carry the bowl? I cannot put properly already. Ayan guys. Ouch. Move away there. See the pepper. So ayan guys. Super spicy. Ayan. Masarap siya. Kaso lang maanghang. Pero okay lang. Nahilig naman ako sa maanghang guys. Kaya effect lang sa akin itong ganitong anghang. Sarap kumain dito guys. Malamig ang tubig. Hey! Stop throwing what na stones there. Kaya yung oldang daw stone. Eh, slowly, you put down on that stone. Dangerous. I told you, ma. You want the lemon?
I want
Mm. Hey, can you let? You see? You can sit down in there, then cook. If you go away your sleeper there, I don't want to take. Ay, sobra. Namula na yung labi ko sa anghang nung kinain ko kanina. So, ayan, ang batang makulit. Oy! Afraid also hit me the stones. Mega love shout out Suano family, Teens family, ayan. Shout out sa inyo guys. Also to Sir Kiko, fantastic. Kiko ba yun? Oh, yes. At saka kay Sir Oli Little Ribbon, ayan. Shout out. O sa mga kaibigan ko, Ate Jen, Christine Joy, Ballesteros, hello. Mitz Agreda, shout out din, CSC. Kabsat, Jenny Bidde, hello, Kabsat. Ayan, shout out. Sis Anito. Linlin Anito Vlogs. Hello sis. Chip Haber. Hello. Mom April. Live it with April. Hello, shout out. Grabe, ang init na guys. Nainitan na ako, promise. Ang anghang kasi yung kinain ko. Yun lang ang mahirap, mainit. Promise ka talaga guys. Ayan, o, diba? Namula na yung labi ko dahil sa anghang. Eh, maitim yan talaga. Okay pa naman kumain ng maanghang. Nakakapula ng labi. O, diba? Pula daw. Tiyang itim-itim ang ina. Okay, let's go. Time to go home. Let's go. I need to clean the house. Let's go. Mikey, I'm not to clean. Let's go. Come on. Come on, so that you can shower now. Okay, you stay here. I go home. I gonna go home now. You stay here. I go home. Bye. Nobody will hold you. Let's go. Let's go. Hi, Sang. Give me your hand. Kailangan hawakan ng kamay, guys. Ayan. Kasi baka matumba siya sa batuhan. Mahirap na maaksidente. Bugok ang ulo. Patay. Kulong tayo niyan. O, diba? Nag-iisang anak naman pa naman at saka apo. Oh. Kaya kailangan alaga yan. Alaga sa pagkain pa. Kaya ganyan ang katawan. Matakaw sa pagkain. Ayan. That's all for today's vlog guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you.